That's amazing, the finish that comes up on it. You can see. How nice is that? Welcome to D-Mop Garage. Here we are again, ready to do some flocculence. Is it flocculence? We're gonna... What the flock? Now, this is Millie's dashboard here. So we've got it prepared. We've got a little container at the bottom here. And for those people that are new that have no idea what we're talking about, Millie's bug is over here. There it is. That's Millie's bug here. You can check the previous playlists so that you can catch up to where we're at. These are some other wheels for the 64 that we painted up. I'm going to get onto those in a minute. So let's get back to flocking. This one. Oh, look who's here, everybody.
Have a quick look, Scoob, mate.
It's the quality control expert. Yes, yes, yes. And are we doing a good job? Yes.
His camera? Look, she's got flocculent on her.
Already? Are you into the job already, are you? Eh?
Oh, you just want food and sleep, don't you?
Well, there's no going up those stairs. I don't think you can even go up them anymore, can you?
No, she can't.
No, okay.
3 steps, it's over.
So we've got our products. We have rollers.
I gotta put her inside.
Rollers. We've got flock. We've got tubular. And we have glue. Why would you do that? Okay, let's set this up and we'll show you how to flock a dashboard. Now, this one here did have some repairs. You would have seen in a previous episode along here. So it's not perfect, but we're hoping that the flock is going to hide most of the imperfections. And it's raining. Woohoo! Just what we need. Let's get ready. Righto, so we're putting the flock into the container.
And shake it all about.
And shake it all about.
Got your dust mask on? You want some black flock in your gut?
I don't think that's going anywhere near. It's too heavy. It's not that fine.
Half?
No, go the whole hog, man.
Well, you gotta go pump it, don't you?
Yeah, but that pump's on the outside. Don't waste it. And there's a twisty motion too, by the way.
Oh!
Pump and twist, pump and twist.
Jeez, I wasn't aware of that motion.
Oh, there's pumping and twisting that needs to be done.
There's a lot I need to learn before I kick it.
Yeah, we've got a glue. So this is the glue, and I suspect it's like a PVA. It's very clear and goopy. So we're going to start gooping on.
I'm going to shake the shit out of this puppy.
Let's bring you guys over here so you can watch the goop process. Okay, am I painting and you're rolling?
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
What are you going to... Oh, yeah, tip some in there. That'll work. And then I'll use the container. Okay, we're on. We're gooping. Goop, goopy, goop, goop. God, that thing's really stiff. It's like it's got too much resistance between this and this.
The surfaces, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I think just blowing it out's fine. Oh, we're out.
You're right.
Yeah. I will empty some more in.
Which way would you like it?
Yeah, it's bouncing off it now, so I think the glue
It's taken?
it's no longer getting there. I think that's the thing. Once it's all been covered, what's happening now is you can see the flocculant hit it and it just bounces off, so the glue's not sticking it.
Okay. So it's gone.
So it's gone, yeah. Well, it's not dry. It's not dry.
Yeah.
It's just that there's no grip there for it to grip anymore.
Okay. So here we've missed the glue, have we? Like so the glue hasn't taken to it. That's what's happening.
Hey?
So to certain places, it's sort of like you can see it's sort of like.
Yeah, well, and that's what the guy says. You need to go back over it to fill it up a bit more, and we're going to have to do that here on these
take that out
repair.
and put the table out there.
Yeah, I'd do that. Set it up the same. Take the and then we can just set it all up here. All right. Well, it seems like it's working, guys. We've got to do another coat over it. It's a lot better than what it looked like, right? So just those repaired areas, you can just sort of see it through the material. So, but yeah, it's not bad. Okay, we'll bring you back in a sec.
Mudguard. So you just bring it in till it's comfortable.
So we're putting the guard on, everybody. So just putting the black plastic trim, which we've put in the hot water, the right way. So the tricks are,
you can push from underneath, all right?
Yeah.
And you pull it in a little bit.
Start from the top of the guard.
Yeah, make sure all the bolts are in.
All the bolts are in, and then feed the plastic. Let it pop back out again.
No, that's right. Just got to do it gradually. You can't do it at one hit. You've got to creep along rather than just going. Can you hear it squeezing itself out as it goes?
Right.
So if it does that, just till it's firm and it feels like it squeezes all out. And you probably should hit the back of it now. So I've gone from here to 4 nuts down.
Okay.
You have to play that one. So if it looks like it's in the guard too much, push it out from underneath.
As you go. Yeah, okay.
Or push it down from the top as you go. That's nice.
Well, there you have it, folks. We've got some rear tail lights. These are the Hellas. Oh, I'm not sure where these are from. They are Mexico, I think. But yeah, look pretty nice. We've got the beading in on the rear, and we've just got to find some engine seals and rubbers for here as well. But it's looking good. It's looking real cool. Now the dashboard, we did a little bit more repairs to it, so you can see here it's come up pretty nice. Those little dodgy areas around there are pretty much all gone. We'll probably give that area a bit more of a go over. It's amazing the finish that comes up on it. You can see how nice is that. That's just straight, a bit of glue and a bit of flocculants. Yeah, very cool stuff. So you can see it's just very, very fine. I think it's actually suede, just ground up suede. I'm not sure. It's well, that's come up a lot better than what it used to look like. So all right, let's keep moving. All right, well, it's fun facts time.
This is the Volkswagen, this is the motor, and this is the spring.
We're putting some weird in. We're going to put the engine lid back on because we took it off because there were some holes that needed to be drilled. And that's the secret beetle.
It broke here. Oh, secret beetle.
Secret beetle.
That part had broken out, so we have to re-weld it on the other bonnet.
Yeah, on this one here.
So Nick and his wonderful.
We're gonna stick it back on. Now there is a trick to putting this on, and that's why we are filming this.
Stick that spring in first. Hopefully it fits in the holes. Look at that, it does too. Amazing.
Okay.
Okay. These things go up. Locate that in your little doover. In there. Right.
Yep.
Put one side on. You got enough here.
Where are you going? Oh, you went over there. Okay.
So put one on.
Yeah, this side here's in. Yep. And that side's in now too. Yes. You got to come down a bit.
Yeah, we'll slide it to the position you want to go. And that's it.
And then pop the bolts.
Stay there.
Pop your bolts in. Yeah, maybe I hold this and then you can put the bolt.
No, and it stays up under its own weight. If the screw holds on its point. But you don't want it to fly out, right?
That would not be a good thing.
No.
It's called find a thread time.
Yeah, that's when you want the right screws.
Look, above your head is the quality control expert,
She's
Scooby.
being fed.
She's looking, going, I
stop
think
panicking.
Dad's doing the right job here.
Okay, that one's not working, of course. I'll put in what I can,
Yeah, here you go.
Done, pretty much. Let's just tighten up nuts and bolts. Open.
Yay!
Then we've got to go down here, and that's about it. Okay.
Cool, done. Okay, so these are the new Hella lenses. Have a look inside. The bloody morons from the factory have gone and put their fingerprints all over them. That's one. This is the other one. Brand new, in the bubble wrap. Fingerprints. Look at it, all over it. What the heck? What kind of quality control? They need Scooby up there. That's what they need. Anyway, you can see here that you've got 3 rubber little grommets. These 2 have got the little pins that are stuck in them, and that's your adjustments. So the new one basically is just going to clip straight into those little things there like that. You can push him in or not. Oh, that's a hard one. Okay, we're going to go through the hole then. Or not as well. Really? That seems like really hard rubber. Let's see the original. Yeah, see, the original one's nice and supple. Interesting. Don't like that. This is that rubber issue that we're having these days. The quality of the rubber just isn't any good anymore. It's harder than it used to be. So you can see that is soft, and I reckon if I pull that out, there we go, it's a lot softer. Interesting. Yeah, that's like hard as a rock. Yeah, fail. Sorry, Hella. You need to get your rubber shit sorted out. Okay, that one's in. And then we've got our 2 little adjuster pins, which are these, and we've got to keep those. They're just little spikes. These little spikes like that. They just go straight in. Alright, so we've got a plan to get rid of these marks. Breathe on it. Microfiber. Very gently. You can see it takes it away. There you go. But seriously, the guys in the factory. There you go, done. Okay, so basically what happens is this is going to go in like that. Unfortunately, we can't put it together because we don't have the rubber seal for here, and also we don't have 2 of the same lenses. We need another Bosch one that we're going to have to order. So yeah, we can't actually put them together, so that's the end of that segment. So let's move on to something else now. Righto guys, so one of the next things we're doing is putting the bonnet or hood on. We're going to do it together with the other guy. Let's go. Hercules? Yeah, what type of boy was Hercules boy?
Mate, I used to frame a whole house by myself. Come on. Let's be tough. Yeah, it's fucking stupid. So I put that on my shoulder like that. Right, bring it down. Don't let it slide. That's your biggest point.
Oh, how about we get the bolts out first?
Yeah, bolts in yours.
Oh, there was one in there, little cheeky bastard.
As soon as you put this one in, this fit.
Yep.
Okay. Try and get the paint to where it was. Right. So
I'm
come a
just
little
gonna
bit
have
towards the
one
middle of the slide. Yeah, enough to be able to slide it still. Just a bit of tell that. You won't be able to slide it, you want to tell that. Just half a centimetre. So when it touches, just that little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to pull it down. What we're going to watch is we don't chip here. So as you go down, pull the bottom down slightly. Keep going. Got ages yet? Okay. Now, so what we normally do is we go further back to the front. So See, it's going to touch. Right? When it comes down, looks like it's going to hit. So what we'll do, we'll pull those sliders out a bit. So,
Have it?
yeah. So when we lower it down, we've got to make sure it doesn't chip the edge. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, well they're not, they're just sitting there, so we've got to glue
So
those.
just watch that edge for me, top edge.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, we haven't trimmed those things, so we don't know where we're going. That's alright, it's good.
That's kind of about the gap you'd have, or?
No, it's sitting way too high, but it's sitting on this rubber shit at the moment.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's two on my side as well.
That's alright, it's good. So when this comes further down on the rubber, when we trim these things,
Yes.
it should come down okay.
Yeah.
Just leave that for now.
Okay.
Cool.
Awesome.
Well done.
Alright, we'll move on. That's just one more bit we wanted to click on. So, alright, so we've got the wheels, we've got some new tyres on the other side with the new rims, the wider rims. So this is stock. So these are 4.5-inch rims by 15s, and the tyres are 165/80 by 15s. Right, and then on this side, these are the new ones we just painted up. Oh yes. So now we have a 6-inch rim, and these tyres are a 195/60 by 15-inch. So you can see the difference. Definitely gives it a more aggressive look. I reckon the front end's got to come down a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, I reckon it does.
It's a little bit too Baja sand rail-ish kind of.
Come down because the diameters are slightly different.
Well, it looks squatted on the back now, doesn't it? Like it's actually.
It needs taller bags on the back.
Yeah.
Taller and fatter.
Taller and fatter.
They the same profile, but
yeah, I think
they look a bit funny on the back. That looks anemic on the back.
Yeah, it does. And the fronts just they actually look like a bigger diameter tyre.
Yeah.
It's that illusion.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Weird illusion.
Same tyre, same area.
But I think the colour scheme going with the white pearl on the inside and the colour on the out, yeah, it works. It looks good. Looks good. We wanted to just have a bit of a look.
Before we go, they're old tyres, so.
Yeah, these are old tyres. We just wanted to.
I just wanted to try and set them like. Even from the back, it looks a bit thin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Up the profile of the back, and you go for the tyre width.
Huh?
Come over here.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can see how skinny that one is, and then. Yeah, and it can definitely go that little bit wider.
Yeah, and these are the 25mm offset. So they're a 6-inch 25mm offset.
Ah, so they are out towards the guard more. There you go.
So
I suppose if we go, if that's a 60 profile, if we do a 205, 65, 70 profile,
65 maybe,
yeah, that'll beef them out and make them slightly wider.
Rolling radius too.
Yep.
And that way the front end will be more biased to braking because it's a smaller diameter.
Yep, cool, awesome. All right, we'll leave that there.
Now,
okay, guys, well, I think that's going to do it for today's episode. We will catch you next week. And again, thanks to the new subscribers. Stay funky.